My name is Adet Birungi, an Executive Director of Safeplan Uganda, a local community organization that supports young women and youth to improve their livelihood through beekeeping. Here is my staff. She's Charita Tegeka, the project officer. She's Merith Joan Kabakama. She's an administrator. At the same time, she leads the marketing and selling of the honey products. So when we joined the Global Giving in 2019, our aim was to raise the beehives to support up to 1,000 women. So we're giving attention to women who are single mothers, women who are teenage mothers. Up to now, we have raised up to 5,000 US dollars. This money we have been able to train youth in hands-on skills to produce beekeeping equipments like carpentry, the smokers, which has enabled us to distribute hives to about 300 women so far.
My name is Charity Tegeka. I work with Safeplan Uganda as the project officer. We support people in the community, but for us to support them, we first mobilize them. We train people how to keep bees, how to maintain their apiaries, and we support them with beehives.
People like our honey because they know we get it from the community, from women, or to support them, because every purchase we make, it enables a mother to take her child to school. Because of your support in reaching to more women with the beehives and trainings, for example, last season we were able to harvest up to 200 kilograms of honey. So we believe that when we have more beehives, when we reach more women with beehives, we shall increase the production. Then also the impact will be multiplied. So these are one of the benefits of women doing bee farming in the communities. Also, we use our honey to produce honey herbal cough syrup. This is a remedy for treating cough and flu, which is more effective in young children and adults.